We're still at. Hi, welcome to Animals for Life. We are still at Bob's waiting for our tire to get pumped. They have amazing exotic animals.
Sign up so I can subscribe.
That is my brother. This is me. This is my mom. And then my dad is somewhere over that way, trying to find something. Those are more gray parrots right there. These ones just want all the attention though. Oh, they're awkwardly scooting. That one's really chubby. Oh, do you want to? Hey, no. Bad boys or girls. That's Waldo the chameleon. He has a very awesome color. He just yawned. Whoa. Now let's go look at the turtles in the. Those are the iguanas and the turtles. That is a parrot. They also have a cat around here. Okay guys, say bye. That's a train, I'm sorry, okay. Bye.